In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell pictures on Wix via QR code. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up and optimize this innovative sales channel. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, locate your site on the dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor where all the magic begins to happen. It's crucial that you have Wix stores installed, as this functionality is necessary for selling physical and digital products through your site. If it's not installed yet, make sure to add it from the Wix App Market. Now navigate to the Store Pages section within your site editor. Once you're there, click on Product Page. This is where you'll manage your store products. Under Manage Products, head over to Dashboard, then Store Products, and select Plus New Product. Here choose Digital Product because we're focusing on selling images digitally. In the product setup, you'll want to enter a descriptive product name, something like Sunset Photography #001 might do the trick. It's beneficial to include a detailed description highlighting the image size, resolution, and any licensing terms. This helps potential buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Upload your high-quality image file, whether it's a JPEG, PNG, or another compatible format. Be sure to enable automatic delivery so that once a purchase is made, the image is delivered instantly. You'll also need to set a price for the image and specify different license options if applicable, such as personal use or commercial use. Clearly outlining what each license includes can prevent potential misunderstandings down the line. Next, generate a product link by going to your store product page and copying the direct link to the product or checkout page. We'll use this link to create a convenient QR code. Use any free online QR code generator like QR Code Generator, QR Stuff, or Canva. Paste your product link into the generator, customize the design if you like, and then download the QR code as an image file. Now that your QR code is ready, consider printing it on flyers, posters, business cards, or even directly onto physical artwork for versatile marketing. You can also share it digitally through social media or email newsletters. When customers scan the QR code, they're directed to your product page on Wix where they can complete their purchase, after which Wix automatically delivers the image. Ensure that your payment methods are configured properly in the Wix dashboard under Settings and Accept Payments. Popular payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or directly via credit/debit cards enhance user convenience. Test the checkout process to make sure everything works smoothly. Finally, publish your digital product to make it live and share your Wix store far and wide on your favorite platforms. Maybe even offer discounts or bundle deals to entice more buyers. Always make sure your images are high resolution, clearly communicate usage rights, and use analytics tools to track which images perform best in sales. And there you have it. You're now ready to start selling your pictures on Wix via QR code. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!